right, so let's open up our Homesuit wireless AI box. This is essentially what it looks like here on the front. Nothing really around the edges besides their logo there. And this just mentions the model is the C1 wireless AI box. And the back mentions Homesuit wireless CarPlay adapter. So let's get this plastic off of here and see what this looks like. Let's open it on up. Slide it out. Wow, so tiny. Nothing else in there. So we have a little included. Oh, very nice. So they give you, this plugs in with USB-C and has USB-A, but just in case you have a slightly newer car that maybe only has a USB-C port, they include the adapter. Good job. Little cable to plug it in. That should be perfect. Then the little instruction booklet here. So you can see 64 MB of DDR2 RAM, and essentially this is how you would connect it. Has some instructions. I will say I don't see any mention of Android Auto on this, so I think this only works with CarPlay. Now here's our little AI or wireless CarPlay device. Very nice. CarPlay-C1, rated voltage 5 volts 1 amp, and there's not really anything on it, just your USB-C port here. There's a little light here, the sticker which I already read you, and this button. Not entirely certain what that does. We'll have to find out, but this is essentially the CarPlay C1 wireless adapter. That's what it looks like, nice and tiny in your hands.